Well, I got my pull saw out because I want to paint my light pole. But before I paint my light pole, I want to get that branch cut down. And I've already started working on cutting it. I don't know if you can see it in this video or not. See if I can find it there. Right up in here you can see where I started cutting on it with the pull saw. This is our light pole out by the street. It was black until I painted it this copper hammered coating. It was supposed to be copper hammered, but the only thing that actually turned out copper hammered looking was the top up here. And but anyway, that was almost 14 or 15 years ago I painted it. So I got some sandpaper here and I'm gonna get it all sanded down. I got some new paint. It's paint and primer mix. So hopefully, see the paint that I sprayed on there before started coming off. I didn't have any primer. And I don't think I sanded it, but now I'm gonna sand everything. And this paint that I got now, it's a paint primer mix. And this is gonna be green. And when I take the top off, I'm gonna sand the inside of the top because I'm gonna paint the inside chrome, well, like a mirror color. So the light will reflect back down and out. But anyway, it ain't the greatest sandpaper, but I just got to rough it up. I'm not going to try and take the paint completely off of it. I am just going to try and rough it up. We're going to be going on vacation for a week. We're going to be taking a week's vacation starting on the 11th of August. And I'm taking y'all along with us. And y'all are going to have to guess as to what state we're in and what, where we're at in that state. So you'll have to try and figure out what state we're in and where we're at in that state. But yeah, we're going to go on vacation and we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to be doing some camping, tent camping. You see some of the black coming through. I don't know if 2 cans of that green is going to be enough or not. Yep. Just wore out there for a minute there. Okay, so as y'all can see, it is sanded underneath, sanded all the way down the length, all the way around, and up here. Now, as I was saying, I don't know what this is, but I may take it off of here and then put a cap on here. Now, just redo these wires in here if I need to, but find me a cap or something I can put on here. Or just take this part off if that's capped so the rain doesn't get in there. But anyway, I've got some blue painter's tape that I'm going to put over the glass so that I can paint these strips. Now, all I have to do is sand all this down right here and then the lid. But I got to take the lid off. The only thing holding the lid on are 2 of these little screws and 2 little nuts. One here and one on the other side. There's 2 of them. They've been this way since this thing was manufactured, so they do the job. I just need to, the screws don't come out, the nuts come off. I need to take the lid off, sand all this, and then sand the lid outside and inside, because like I said, I'm going to paint the inside of the lid with a chrome type paint so that the light reflects back down. I may even need to take my air compressor and spray and see if I can spray some of that dirt out of there. But I need to take that light out. That light is one of them flame lights that I use on Christmas to make it look like a flame. Put a regular LED in here. But anyway, remember, knowledge is a good thing. Truth and knowledge is an even better thing. And true knowledge, that's power. And I'll be right back. Here's the lid. Here's the inside of the lid. As you can see, it was At one time, it was fairly shiny up in here. It was kind of like a brass or something, I guess. But now it's going to be almost like a silver, like a chrome when I get through with it. Because I got a chrome colored paint in the house just for it. I just got to get this lid sanded down and get it put back on there before it starts raining. Yeah, it's got a dent and what looks like a couple of cracks in it right here. There's like a crack here and a crack here with a dent. That's been there since we moved in, I believe. That might have been from one of the tree branches hitting it, but I don't know. It's crazy. But the cracks do go all the way through. But hopefully once I get it painted, hopefully the paint will seal up those seams. I could put some, I got some super glue gel I could put on the inside here. All right, yeah, what do you think so far? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Got these cracks right here in the lid. Got some super glue gel. I'm gonna put in those cracks. Hopefully seal them up a little bit. Keep the rain out. I know the primer and the paint would probably seal up these holes, all the bigger they are, but I'd really like to put some gel over them. Some gel super glue. I got my cell phone all the way over there on the porch. I don't want my cell phone near my spray paint. I don't want any overspray or mist of the spray or whatever getting on my phone, ruining my phone or something. Oh yeah, there we go. I got a little bit of a run on the primer. Been a little while since I've did some spray painting. It's all right. Look at that. Check it out, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see it. That's primer gray, and that's on the inside. Now, I will be hitting that with, I know it looks like I got bubbles of paint, but I don't. It's these dents. Them dents look like bubbles of paint in there, or bubbles of primer. But anyway, once that primer dries, I'll be painting that chrome, ready to put a nice coat of primer on the outside. Now I'm gonna have to let this dry. Oh shit, not good. I put my fingers in it, my gloves, hand, and everything. Messed up my primer. Oh, come on! Dang it! Oh no! Ah, damn it! All right, so this brass lip right here. Now I'm not gonna be painting it silver. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is because I don't want to have to try and hold something in here to keep the overspray from the paint getting on the glass. But as you can see, I got the glass all taped up so I can hit all this with primer. Just hoping I didn't get any on the glass on the inside. I don't think I did. All right. These posts. Now I know some of y'all are probably wondering, why didn't you, or asking the question, why didn't you just take the glass out of the post? Right? Well, can't take the glass out of the post. The glass is in there permanently. These pillars, they're attached to the top and the bottom, right? And then the lid of the light post, it screws down onto this base right here. It wouldn't do any good if this could just pop off for the lid to screw to it, because then it would just blow away in the wind, right? So it's all attached. So the glass is like a permanent fixture within there. So there's no way to take it out. That's why I didn't take the glass out. For anyone that was wondering or thinking that question, I was a graffiti artist in my past life. uh, all right, that's good enough. Check it out. Here it is. What do y'all think so far? Not bad, right? Now the chrome paint's drying on the inside of this. I can go over there and paint the matted green. It's moss, the matted moss. Spanish moss. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that nice? Nice and silvery. Yeah, light's gonna shine off of that nicely. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there's a spot in there where it looks like the paint's not wanting to stick. It's like a water, oil on water or something. Spray it and then the paint just separates and moves away. We're gonna let it dry, and then we're gonna come back and see what happens after that. Yeah, let's paint. Can't see anything, and that sun's in my eyes. Whew. Sorry, y'all. Keep forgetting I got my microphone on. Probably making a bunch of noise in the microphone. Oof. All right, y'all. I'm gonna give it a minute. I ran out of green paint. I was like, I'm not gonna need 2 cans, but I do need 2 cans because I am, well, overkill. But you know what? Put it on thick. I ain't gotta worry about it. Hopefully. All right, let's see. Because I did spray a little bit on the top here. I want to see how well that did. And by the looks of it, it did really well. So let's get this finished, shall we? I know I got y'all way over there, and I'm way over here. But again, I don't want my phone, and of course I don't want y'all getting covered in green paint. You guys might not like me spray painting y'all. All right. I'm gonna sit this down on the cement, and I'm gonna spray it on the cement. So that I don't have to worry about sticking my hands. And we're gonna let that dry. Well, here she is finished, y'all. All nice and green. It's that green Spanish moss. My wife picked out that color. Not bad. Remember, knowledge is a good thing. Truth and knowledge is an even better thing. And true knowledge, that's power. I hope y'all liked and enjoyed this video. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe and help me grow my channel. And I will see y'all in next week's video.